Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. Those photos are at the end of the video. I got quite a few of them this month. Thank you everyone for participating. If I missed you somehow, I apologize. You can resend them, and you can send your photos for this video to this email address right here, and just make sure you say subscriber photos or something in the title of the email, so that I know that that's what they're for, and I'll try to get them in next month's video. I do this video the first Sunday of every month. Before that, I normally have some photos that I take. I just haven't had time to put those together for this particular Subscriber Sunday for May, but I normally do have some photos that I've taken as well. For this month, the ProPlugger is doing a giveaway on the channel. I used this in my vegetable planting video last month, planting tomatoes and peppers back here in my vegetable garden. They sent this tool to me like a year ago, and I just never had a chance to get around to using it. It works extremely well for planting things like annuals, bulbs, weeding, doing pH testing, any kind of soil testing you're doing. If you have a warm season turf and you want to use one of your really good areas to improve a bad area in your turf, you can take plugs with this tool. But it's basically built like a tank. You just press down on it. It's got two places for your feet right here. You press it down into the ground and it pulls out a perfect plug. Great tool. Very, like I say, very, very well built. They're giving away 2 of them this month. The way to go about winning one of these is a comment at the bottom of this video. So I'm going to draw 2 names from the bottom of this video in 2 weeks on a question and answer video. So you can make any kind of comment at the bottom of this video on YouTube for a chance to win one of these. Ideally, some of you will also ask questions of things that you're gardening questions that you need answered. And 2 Sundays from now, I'll do the question and answer the questions on that video and do the drawing for the 2 ProPluggers. I hope all of that makes sense. But if there's a ton of questions at the bottom of this video, there's just absolutely a ton of entries, I'm probably going to pick the questions that that most help the group. By answering that question, I think it will help the most amount of people. If I don't answer your question, I'll try to come back to this video later and answer a few of those that I skipped over at that point. So thank you very much for the crazy channel growth in April. Welcome any new folks that subscribed during that period of time. It was over 4,500 new subscribers or something like that. There were 500,000 video views in the month of April, which is just completely and totally wild channel growth that I've had this year. So thank you to everyone for that, and welcome any new folks, and of course thank all the folks that have been here for the 2 years that I've been making these videos. You're all, it's a really great audience. Of course, you would expect that from a group of gardeners. So again, leave a comment at the bottom of the video for a chance to win the ProPlugger, and a question if you have one. That can be your comment. And here are the photos for the subscriber photos for the month of May.